what's up? This is Tyler with Most Simple Guitar Lessons. Today I'm going to show you how to play The Best Part of Life on acoustic guitar by St. John. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. Right, to play this song, you're going to be in drop D tuning. If you don't have a tuner, you can go ahead and click my video right here to tune yourself to drop D, and then you can come right back to this video and figure out how to play the song. First chord you'll play, let me scoot this in for you. You're going to just bar your pointer finger on the 4th fret. Those are the first two notes, E and A. And the third note, your ring finger will be on the 6th fret. Right? Do, 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 do. And then you slide it up to 7, 7, 9. So once again, that's 4, 4, 6, 7, 7, 9. And then you go down to 2. You can kind of just strum that if you want. Sounds like that on the recording, or you can arpeggiate it as well. And then the last one, you slide all the way up to 9. And then to play the little turnaround, do, do, do. To play the little turnaround, you just go. So it's like. So I'll play it once again slower. And that's it. Like I said, very easy, very fun to play. As always, let me know some other songs you want to hear down in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.